All right, this is the Bridgeport Harig 618 Easy Surf programmable surface grinder, 2-axis programmable, hydraulic table, serial number
Is that 482 EZ?
482EZ.
That's exactly what it is, yep.
All right, let's do our walk.
482 EZ, sure, we can do a clockwise movement here. We can do some of this manual stuff when we come back around. We got the walker chuck control down low for the 618 chuck. We can't show lube yet until we fire it up, bringing it around. Of course, it's got the enclosure, 2 side panels. Of course, this is the off-board transformer. Drives are on the other side, so
Okay.
you can kind of see that. Got some documentation, programming, maintenance we've got on the books. This is all standard Easy Surf back here, servo motors, spindle motor, a couple auxiliary plug-ins, hydraulics down low. And that's about it back here. And as you come around, you can open up the other panel here. And there's the drives down low, the BMC board, I think it's called. The two servo drives are right there. Power supply for the computer right in the middle there. It's all good to go. And where are we at here? We can bring it up. We'll bring up the control first. Well, actually, we can do the chuck first. I've got a piece of metal here. I think I've got that on. I've got that on right now. Variable. We open these doors a little bit. I'm at 60% right now. That's pretty good right there. So there's no problem on that guy. And I'm going to bring up power here on 7. Brings up hydraulics only. I've already homed the machine. I've got a small program in there, 2 by 2 inch block of steel, so to speak. But first, we can go into a few manual movements. Oh wait, I'll tell you what, let's go to spindle first, because when you bring the spindle on, then the oil, the lube comes up to the way. So here's spindle, which is the wheel right here. And now. That's all pretty good shape here. And there's our oil coming up on the glass, you can see. It back there, so that's all looking good. I know we got column lube. We've got ZX lube, I checked all that, so that's good. Coming back down here, we can do some manual movement real quick. If I take the hand wheel in, of course, that's just manual right there. That stays out. To jog. Let's go into jog. We've got Z already on, so Z plus, minus, and I can slow that down on the key dial here. So real slow. Or of course I can do it on the hand wheel, speed it back up a little bit on the pot. You had to see that with the numbers rolling here if you want to get either one beat, but that all works pretty good. Y, same thing. We call it up down on the pot. And you see I can speed that up or slow it down too. And if you drift over that way, you can see me lowering the spindle. I'll go back up a little bit. So that's all good on the 2 servos. With the spindle on still, I'll leave it on because we need it on for the program. Oh, we could do an auto table recip, I think, if I exit out of this and get into a do event. Let's go to 6. Yeah, I've got it set up for my program, 7 inches and 13. It's a 5-inch recip back and forth. Then we can play with the hydraulic flow control. So let me go through that, enter that in, and get that started. That's just moving there. You kind of see the X position going from 5 to about 13, 14. There it is. And then pull back, and I'll play with the flow control on the table. And kind of slow that. Whoops. I was too fast for you? Okay. Yeah. I think I can dial this in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So that's all pretty good stuff. And speeding back up a little bit. I'll leave it right about there for my program I've got going. So let me hold that up now. I think that'll stop that there. And I'm going to go into surface drying, which is number 8 on the control. And let's see if I still got a program. So we're moving 2 inches on Z, about 2 inches on Y. And just for the sake of the video, we're moving a 300 thousandths on the incremental Z and 400 thousandths incremental on Y, just so you can see movement, for a total of about 2 inches, and then it'll spark out, one spark out, and go back home. So let me go through this one. We're good to go right about here. Hand wheel is out. You should be able to start it right from this point. It's going to find itself, rehome it. There we go. Now I've got the pot turned full up. I can go slower. Watch this. Even though it's asking for 300 thousandths, I've got the pot way down. And now we're going to turn it way up. That's about 80% feed. I'd leave it right there for the sake of running. And of course, you can still slow down the whole project just by choking this down, which doesn't affect the servos at all, just the table. And I speed that back up. You see that guy moving 400 thousandths. Just, we'll finish it all off. It's only about not even a 2-minute cycle. And then it does one spark out pass. We're at 6 now. This will be the last cross feed, and then it'll spark out and be done. Going home, and do one more. Pretty good.
Same program?
Same program. Yeah, it's all pretty good movement there. That's it right there. And shut spindle down. And exit and power. Exit. That's it.